Are you an online marketer, working for a digital agency, running a local business, or an e-store? Or maybe just released a new ebook or e-course? Whatever the case, there's so much to keep your business going and growing. Whether you're big or small, you'll need an integrated online marketing solution to help you build your audience, engage prospects, drive sales, and keep customers coming back. You'll need GetResponse, scalable online marketing that brings amazing results. Start with growing an engaged audience base. Turn your site visitors into subscribers with a smart sign-up form, exit pop-up, or a download box. Choose the one that matches your needs and website. Add an irresistible offer, place it on your site, and never miss out on a new contact again. Already have an email list? Import it with a few clicks, or import contacts from other services you already use.